This training course is meant to be an introduction to the information mentioned. Although the materials in this course are accurate, the intent is to raise awareness of hazards and use of safety in the maritime work environment. It is not meant to serve as a compliance-based training course. It is the responsibility of your facility's employer and its employees to comply with all pertinent safety rules and regulations in the jurisdiction which they operate. If you would like to obtain materials that can assist in compliance-based training, contact a MYMIC sales representative for more information. Here at our marina, we offer a variety of services. As with most marinas, there are hazards associated with the day-to-day operations of working with heavy machinery and working in areas that are prone to being slippery. Today, we will learn how to identify common hazards at the marina and how to safely respond to them. By the end of this course, you will know some safe work practices that help our team maintain health and safety. First, we will visit some operations that are common at most marinas. Here, we will learn what these operations are and discover any special equipment that might be involved. Then, we will learn about that equipment and how to stay safe when working with or around it. After we learn these marina basics, we will discover what the common hazards are at a marina and how to safely control, reduce, and eliminate them. We will also learn some safe work practices to use in everyday operations and how to maintain the environment. Then, we will go over some important knowledge and behaviors for maintaining health and safety. Here, we will learn about the different types of personal protective equipment you may use and when they are used. We will also find out about safe communication methods and emergency plans and procedures. After we learn about emergencies, we will learn how to respond to one of the most common emergencies at a marina and on boats: fires. Communication is a big part of maintaining health and safety. This is how we inform each other of possible hazards and maintain awareness. PPE ensures the greatest possible protection for you in the workplace. Marinas can be pretty hazardous places if you aren't properly dressed for the job. These items are available at all times, and you are encouraged to use them. Earplugs are designed to protect your hearing. Hearing loss occurs when you're exposed to excessive noise over long periods of time. Be sure to wear earplugs at all times when you are exposed to high levels of noise, such as operating machinery. Non-skid dock shoes must be worn to keep you from slipping on wet surfaces. Safety glasses should be worn to protect your eyes from flying debris while doing maintenance. They can also provide eye protection from fumes and chemicals. Personal flotation devices, or PFDs, are available anytime you're working on or near the water. PFDs are designed to provide flotation in the event you fall or are knocked overboard into the water. Always make sure you are properly wearing any PFD and that all straps are properly secured and pulled snug. Maps are a great means of communicating at the marina. Maps are useful to you as a marina employee as well as visitors. As an employee, you should be familiar with maps illustrating electrical, water, and fuel shutoff valves. You should also be familiar with maps pointing to the locations of fire extinguishers, spill response kits, and first aid kits. It is important that you are familiar with these locations, especially in the event of an emergency. Ask your supervisor or employer for more information on the marina's available maps. Emergency Action Plans, or EAPs, are plans written by your employer to facilitate and organize employer and employee actions in the event of an emergency. Emergency situations included in these plans may be severe weather, fires, explosions, and/or injuries. These plans describe how to report and respond to such emergencies at the workplace. They also inform employees of the procedures for emergency evacuation, exit route assignments, and accounting for employees after evacuation. Your facility's emergency action plans will be reviewed with you to ensure you understand how to react should an emergency occur. If you ever have any questions about these plans, never hesitate, always ask. These plans are available for you to review at any time. There is a strict no smoking policy within 16 feet of buildings and on board vessels. Smoking, open flames, mechanical sparks, and friction must be controlled around areas where dust could settle. If your marina permits smoking, ensure the activity is only done in designated areas. Ask your supervisor or employer for more information on the marina's smoking policy.